Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Spain. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this Coinbase website, and thanks, when you're going to register through the link in the description, you will get $10 for free when you're going to buy Bitcoin of value of $100 or 183 euro. So when you will log in and register, you just click home and then you just click Bitcoin view asset and buy Bitcoin on the right side, and you can pay with a card or you can like add money to your Coinbase account and then simply click here buy Bitcoin, right, of 100 euro, and voila, here you got the 2.99 fee and you got your own Bitcoin. Then what you can do also is to go to Coinbase.pro. This is the same as Coinbase. When you're going to register through the link down below in the description, you can get to Coinbase Pro and you can buy also this way too, but it's a little bit more difficult, but you can do it too, and you get only 0.50 fee. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can buy Bitcoin in Spain. Thank you very much guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.